Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by the brand called Zulay Kitchen. And pretty much what this is a milk frother that you can use to mix your lattes, matcha, what you guys want to use it with. That's up to you guys at the end of the day. So I was actually really lucky that this company was nice enough to send me one of these products to kind of review and test out to let you guys know how well it performs and whatnot. So the first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. So the back part right here, you just open like this. Open this part like this, take it out like this. So here is the milk frother, and then here is the stand itself that you can use to put in the actual milk frother itself for easy storage and whatnot. In the inside, they provide you a little thank you card for purchasing the product, but that's basically everything that's in the product itself. Here we have the stand. Let's take out the stand. All right, so here is the stand that is provided, and then here is the milk frother right here. So on the milk frother itself, you have to see that they have the little brand logo right here, Zulay Kitchen. Here is the part that will actually mix your product or not. Here is a little button that you can click to power on the product. And on the back side, you can see there's a battery slot right here. So if you guys open it up, you guys can put in the battery in here. So for this product, it uses 2 AA batteries. It's not included, so you guys need to have your own AA batteries. But definitely something that's really important that you should know is the little battery slot right here for that little strap right here. You want to make sure you guys put the battery over the strap itself so it's easy to remove it in the future if you guys need to replace it or the battery runs out or whatnot. So if you guys don't put the battery over the little strap right here, it will actually be really hard for you guys to remove it later on. So to make sure the benefit of putting the strap underneath the battery so it's easy to remove. So just pull the strap like this, and then the battery just comes out really easily. So you guys can see the strap is like that. So once you guys put in the battery and rinse the product, wash it or whatever before using it in your first time, you guys can start using it. So if we press this button on top, you guys can see it start working. So it's pretty powerful and it's actually really easy to use. Just press this little button right here, and it works. But definitely the grip of the product is super nice. As you can see, it has a very nice little grip. They have this little slot right here so you guys can actually put your fingers through here so you guys can get an even better grip. So that's pretty cool as well. So because of the material is stainless steel, there shouldn't be any issue with the product rusting or whatever as long as you guys clean it correctly and let it air dry or wipe it down correctly and whatnot. So once you guys are done using the product, just put it in here like this. And then you guys are all set. Don't have to worry about it until next time you guys use it again. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let me just go do a quick test of the product first and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the product right here, the Zulay Kitchen's milk frother. I have some matcha right here that is by Jade Leaf Matcha. So I'm going to just test it out to see how well it performs, and also because I'm craving some matcha tea right now. So let's give it a try. Alright, so I'm not going to use a spoon or anything. I'm just going to straight up just pour it a little bit onto here and do my measurement using my eyes to kind of see how much I want to drink. So since this milk frother, it doesn't warm up your drinks or whatever, you just help you guys mixing it. You guys want to add in some hot water or warm water in. A little bit more. Alright, that's good. Let me move the camera so you can see a little bit better angle. So you can see that I didn't fill the cup all the way to like the fullest, because if you guys use this milk frother, it's gonna splatter all over the place if you guys fill it too high. So you guys want to make sure that you guys have enough, but not too much to the point where it splatters all over the place. So I'm gonna take this out now. You guys want to make sure you guys rinse it or wash the product before using it, which I already did, so I can actually use it. So I can just put it in like this, and just hold the button, and you see that it works pretty well like that. Alright, so you can see that actually works really well. Alright, so that should be good. And you can see the final product is right there. Anyway, you guys are done using it, just put it back in the stand right here and you guys can use it next time. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that actually does work and actually works really well. Some of the tips and guides that I have for the product itself is to not fill your cup all the way to the maximum. So let's say if your cup is a 16 ounce, maybe fill it to like 8 ounce or less than that. Don't fill like 16 ounce and then expect to use this product. Because I saw so many people doing that and they just spill it all over the place. Like if you guys just think about it, this is a product that is like mixing your product and it's super powerful. Like if you guys fill it to the brim of the actual cup itself to the fullest, it's obviously gonna spill and it's just splatter all over the place. If you guys really wanted to make a 16 ounce drink on a 16 ounce cup, then maybe just do 8 ounce first and do another 8 ounce after, and just pour it onto a cup after, so you guys don't have to spill your product all over the place. Another thing that I want to mention about this product is the fact that you guys have a lot of different color options. I believe there's over like 10 different color options, so you guys have the option to choose whatever color you guys want. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. Especially if you guys saw my other video about how I have the other milk frother that actually warms it up for you. This one cannot do that, but the thing that's good about this one versus that one is the fact that this one you guys have more control of how you guys want to mix it. So if you guys have like any kind of like coffee or latte or any kind of like matcha that's stuck like throughout the cup and you guys can't mix it, you guys can actually use this to mix it wherever you guys want to. Whereas on the actual milk frother that warms up for you guys can't actually do that. So that definitely makes this product much more worth it than that product. So that's definitely something to kind of consider, but not a big issue for me. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have